Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Muhammad Ali from Aspire Group of Colleges, and this is lecture 6 of English. Students, today we will discuss application and letter writing and the format of application and letter writing. Let's start from the format of application writing. Students, on the left margin of your paper, you have to write the address. And what is address? 3 lines in application writing are called address. That is like you have to write there the principal on the left margin of your paper, the principal. And after principal, there should be a comma, and then college, like Aspire College. In second line, Aspire College. And after Aspire College, there should be comma. And in third line, you have to write A, then full stop, B, full stop, C, full stop, and then city in parentheses. These 3 lines are called address in application writing. And after these 3 lines, you have to leave a blank line. And after that, there is a salutation. And what is salutation? Sir, respected sir, or madam. And after the salutation, like sir or madam, there should be a comma. After salutation, there is the body of the letter. Body of the application. That is the main part of the application, body of the application. After completing the body of the application, there is date line. On the left margin, you write the word after body of the application, dated, then full stop, then current date, like April 25, 2020, and then full stop. There are 2 ways of writing date, and you can write it like 25th April and 2020, and then full stop. After writing the date line on the right margin, you have to write the description like yours obediently, and then comma and variables x, y, z, and these variables are followed by full stop. Now students, you may have a better picture of this description. See the next slide, like the format of application. The first thing is the address. And what is address? The principal, Aspire College, ABC, city. These lines are called address in application writing. And then the salutation, like sir or madam, and these are followed by a comma. The next part of the application is body of the application. That is the main part of application writing. And then comes the date line. After completing body of the application, there should be a blank line, and after that there is a date line. The word is written as dated and then the current date. And the last part of the application is subscription, and it is written like yours obediently. Keep in mind, there should not be used apostrophe in the word yours. It is yours obediently, x, y, z. X, y, z are followed by full stop. Now the student, you have to learn by heart and write the following application, and that is application for fee concession. This format should be followed by every student. The principal, Aspire College, City ABC, Sir. With due modesty, it is stated that I am bona fide student of FSC Part 1 in your college. My family consists of 8 members. My father works in a factory and hardly meets the needs of the family. The lion's share of his income is spent to pay the rent of house. Despite of all these, my father has been managing my fee quite earnestly. Quite suddenly, the factory owner closed the factory because of threat of coronavirus last month. Whatever my father had set aside was spent during the past month. We are having a hard time these days. So, to alleviate the financial burden, my father has decided that I should quit my studies. But, sir, I want to continue my studies in your college. It will only be possible if you grant me full fee concession. Sir, I assure you that I will leave no stone unturned to brighten the name of my college. I hope you will entertain my request of full fee concession. I will be thankful to you for this act of kindness. Dated April 25, 2020. Yours obediently XYZ. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको इस एप्लीकेशन के फॉर्मेट को समझना है और ये जो एप्लीकेशन आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर शो हो रही है, इस एप्लीकेशन को आपने याद करना है और याद करने के बाद इसे लिखना है. Now move to the format of letter writing. In the format of letter writing, there are some certain parts and we will discuss these parts. First of all, there is a address. And what is the address in letter writing? You have to write examination hall and it is written after the center margin, examination hall. In examination, E is capital, in hall, H is capital. And after this, there is a comma. And then city ABC with variables like A, B and C. These variables are followed by a full stop and then city in parenthesis. And after these two lines, one line is blank and then comes the date line. Here the word is date is not written in letter format. You just write the current date like 25th April 2020 and then full stop. After this line, there is a salutation on the left margin like dear father. Salutation, the person whom the letter is written. And after this, the main part of the letter, that is called body of the letter. After completing body of the letter, you will write subscription on the right margin like your loving son, and then variables XYZ, and these variables are followed by full stop. Each part of letter and as well as application has separate marks. So you should not omit any part of the letter and application writing. To have a better picture of letter format, we are moving to next slide. You can see here, first of all, address. What is address? Examination hall, A, B, C with full stop and then city in parentheses. Blank line and then a date line like April 25, 2020. The word dated should not come here. April 25, 2020 and then full stop. After a blank line, there is a salutation like respected father. And then the main part of the letter, that is body of the letter. And after completing body of the letter, there comes subscription like your loving son and then the variables XYZ with full stop. And students, And you have assignment letter writing as well, and that is letter to father requesting him to increase your monthly allowance. This letter is being displayed on your screen. You can see here. You have to learn it by heart and write on your notebook. Like examination hall A, B, C with full stop, city, April 25, 2020, respected father. This is the letter to father requesting him to increase your monthly allowance. Okay, I am reading this letter. I am good here and hope you would be in your sound health. My father, I am well aware of your ever increasing responsibilities and family burden. But my request to increase my monthly allowance is inevitable. The monthly allowance which you send to me is insufficient due to price hike. The prices of books have been increased. On the other hand, the charges of food items in the hostel have also been increased. So I face great difficulty to get books and food with the present amount of money. Last month, I had to borrow rupees 2000 from my friend. So I humbly request you to increase my monthly allowance up to rupees 6000 per month. I promise I will be careful and responsible in my expenditure. I will not let you down regarding my performance in the examination. I assure you that I will get good marks in the examination. I hope you will always be kind-hearted and sportive to me. Pay my regards to everybody at home. Yours obediently, XYZ. Students, till the next lecture, you have to learn by heart and write on your notebook the letter and application which we have discussed in this lecture. This is your next assignment. Learn by heart and then write application to principal for full fee concession. Write a letter to your father requesting him to increase your monthly allowance. आप सब ने ये काम करना है नेक्स्ट लेक्चर तक. टिल द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, गुड बाय, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, अल्लाह हाफिज़.